I saw you standing in the pouring rain, the city lights dancing on your face. Every heartbeat whispering your name, like the world slowed down in your embrace. Your laughter cut through all my doubts like a melody I'd always known. In a crowded room you pulled me out, and suddenly I wasn't alone.
Every little glance, every little touch feels like magic, feels like us. When you're close, I come alive. You're the rhythm in my night.
Oh, stay in my sky, be the stars in my midnight. Hold me close, don't say goodbye. You're my forever, my firefly. Don't let me go. You're the only home I know. If love's a song, then you and I are the chorus on replay
Tonight, every morning when I see your smile, sunlight breaking through my shades, all my worries fade a while, every fear just drifts away.
You turn simple into gold. Every second feels brand new. If this story is ours to hold, I want every page with you.
Every little kiss, every little spark lights a fire inside my heart. When you whisper that you're mine, it's like heaven hits rewind.
Oh, stay in my sky, be the stars in my midnight. Hold me close, don't say goodbye. You're my forever, my firefly. Don't let me go. You're the only home I know. If love's a song, then you and I are the chorus on replay tonight. When the world gets loud and cold,
When the nights feel far too long,
I'll be right here, take my hand. We'll turn the silence into song.
through the storms and through the blue, every road leads back to you.
Oh, stay in my sky,
Be the dream I chase each night, with your heart right next to mine. Everything will be alright.
don't let me go. You're my rhythm, my echo. If love's a song, then you and I are the chorus on replay. On replay. On replay tonight.
Beneath the hush of velvet skies, where silver starlight softly lies, I wander through the silent air with
the restless tides would weep. It moved the night, it stilled the breeze, it bent the will of ancient seas, and in its rise and tender fall, I found my soul, I gave my all.
Love, thou art my sacred flame, eternal as the stars proclaim. Through shadowed vale or golden morn, in thee my truest self is born.
Like roses trembling in the rain, you soothe the ache of hidden pain. Each glance a sonnet softly sung, each touch a bell forever rung. The world grew distant, faint and small, for you became my all in all.
Should tempest rise and kingdoms fall, should fate its bitter trials call, no earthly power nor time's decree shall steal my heart away from thee. For bound by threads no blade can sever, our souls are sworn to dwell forever.
Love, thou art my guiding star. No night so deep, no shore too far. For in thy light my fears depart. Thou art the music of my
When
heart.
the final curtain sighs and twilight dims in fading skies, still shall our melody remain, a moonlit sonata free of beneath the hush of velvet skies, where